Hello everybody, this is Thorsten speaking from ML Software. I'd like to show you today how to create an Excel sheet control in iNow UI and how to control and fill the cells just by using RPG. I have a little RPG program already in my debugger, and we run the program called Excel, and this is the first thing we do. iNow run screen, Excel sample form, etc., etc. What happens? We just see a screen with the information. We've sent it over here. You can use, of course, your own screens created by display files or low-level API or whatever. And you can, of course, modify the design of the screen. So what we do, the first thing is we like to have some buttons instead of the F keys. We like to move or hide, as you like, this information, and we like to add a spreadsheet control, flex spreadsheet. Let's rename XLS1, whatever. So, and we dock it to fill, and so we have a much better screen than before. Looks like this now. We have an Excel sheet with all the things you know, and it's embedded in our iNow UI client. This was the screen before, and this is the screen after designing. We can put some information over here, like, I don't know, whatever you like. So, and if we press refresh, remember refresh is F5, what happens? When we press refresh, this is F5, we run 5 times through this loop. First thing is, the value is 1. The cell should be C1. We like to put information into cell C1. So the cell is C1, as you can see here. And now we just run the command XLS1. You remember that was the name of the spreadsheet. Dot cell. The cell means C1 and the value is 1. So just send it, and you see in C1 we have a 1. Then same for C2, C3, C4, and finally C5. So in cell C6 we are going to write a formula. C6 equals sum C1 till C5. And it's 15. After this, we like to read the value of cell C6 into our field val. So val at the moment is 5. So we read the information from our spreadsheet, and now val is 15. To publish val to the user, we can use the iNow message box. Just run, and you see this is 15. Okay, so easy it is to write and read information to and from a spreadsheet with iNow UI under RPG control just by using iNow API. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye. Hope to see you soon.